We both teach studio courses in product design program in the art and design department. So especially for the senior, junior students, we see a need for them to learn a set of basic research methods in design research. And we found that it's very difficult for them to follow. So through our research, we found people had the same issue or same problem, and they try to develop solutions to it already. So a lot of them it's a card with two faces. One face is listing what this method is, and the other face is an example of this particular thing. It's very simplistic in our view, and it's not catered to our students. So the students can have the stack of cards and they still don't know where to begin and where to go.
So like, so how do I do this next step? You know, what's my next step after that? They still were unsure because it was never set down as a clear path to follow. We wanted something that could be simple when we needed to be simple, expansive when we needed to be expansive, and then modular so we could swap out outdated processes and introduce new ones.
And also we want to build in the interactivity in there, so to give students an incentive to actually look and also have a path for them to look. They found it very easy to follow. Even though they've collected tons of data and they're trying to follow the path, they actually found it a lot easier. And I think using the digital tool they can carry around with them will be a pretty good reference for them.
They're going to look on their laptop, they're going to look on their tablets, and they're going to look on their phones in particular, because their phone will be probably their primary place where they're going to want to check it when they're out in the field. We
want to expand it to different majors, so a lot of people can use it, and not just in product design they will use it. So hopefully we can test it out in some of the other studios and we can get some more feedback to tweak it.
It was a lot of work, and I'm really pleased that we got as far as we did because it gave us something to finally use in the classes. We'd never really had the time to sit down and lay out something as a tool for the students to use, to give them a clearer path, to give them a better set of a structure to follow. And now we have that. And then the next step is to just keep improving upon it.
Exactly.